Daddy's home.
What up?
What's up?
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey.
So we're here. We're at Hector's shop, and we're here because I'm actually going to be doing headlights. I wanted to do them at home, but as you can see, it's currently raining, and I don't really want to do electrical in the rain, you know, for obvious reasons. So appreciate Hector for letting me do this. To do FRS to BRZ headlights,
You have to get a conversion.
no, you have to get these 8-pin, which are from the Mark IV Supra and BRZ, and I think another Toyota, but I can't remember which. So these are 6-pin. You gotta go to 8-pin because it has the extra connection for like the boomerang and stuff.
Yeah. Got this one. Got this one. And one last one. Alright, let's move out this little bracket first. Yeah. This is out. Cool. Alright, let's pop this little clip out. Boom.
And it's just that clip. You see it?
Yep.
That clip right there.
Yep. Now we can just
And
pull our pins.
now you can pull the pins out of it.
We just got to remove each one of these little clips on the inside of them.
So you just go deep in and then pull up.
Yeah, you pull it, like you just like kind of.
Yeah, you'll feel it. You'll definitely feel it, and then they just slide out. And if they're not coming out, you pull on the wire from the back, and it's easier with 2 people than 1.
Yeah, like right now I'm struggling.
Yeah, he's struggling right now, but you know, we gotta film for you guys.
Factual.
It's for the kids.
Boom.
Easy. And this is for the passenger side, so this is actually different than driver's side.
Yeah.
Different colors.
Alright. It's not gonna lie, these are kind of bitches to put on. Yeah, I guess we just came back out.
Act ill, ball, made that chill. Till I paid my dues. Now you can't tell me nothing. This is dedicated to the ones who kept fronting. The ones who tried to